Hey guys, Dave here, and we're on location of this entire home transformation. We're going to take a look at this project. If you're interested in an entire home transformation, let me show you what we did to this home. Take a look at this home transformation. We are in the final stages of completing entire home. Now, this was a home that a young family purchased, and they handed us the keys for the transformation. Now, it didn't look like this. Let me show you what this home looked like when they purchased it. This family purchased this home. It was sitting for 2 years vacant. They hired us, they handed us the keys, they handed us a set of drawings, and we ended up transforming this home. Look at the outside of this. We took the existing home down to the foundation. We kept the existing floor beams, the existing floor sheathing. We added all new first floor walls, a whole second floor structure, floor beams, framing, roof, everything is brand new from the floor up. All right, so let's go inside. This is almost a 5,000 square foot home transformation. We handled the entire process from start to finish. Now, if you're interested in an entire home transformation, you can take a look at this project because we handled the entire process, the plans, the permits, dealing with the building department. Let's go inside. All right, so we are in the final stages. We just sheetrocked it. This is a 2-car garage we added onto the house. And as we make our way through, it's almost 5,000 square feet, 4 beds, 3 bathrooms. Right here is the mud room. We have a half bath in here. And you can see it opens up. Full 9-foot ceiling, lots of windows. You can see the transoms on top of the egress windows. And so this is the family room. This is the kitchen. We're gonna have almost 70 feet of cabinetry in here. This family needed more space. They bought a fixer-upper that they wanted to transform. You walk in to this foyer, check out this 22-foot ceiling. So how can you get your project started? If you live in northern New Jersey and you're looking for a home transformation, or you're gonna purchase a fixer-upper that you wanna make your own, you can give us a call at 201-774-3733. We have special package pricing right now for 2024. You could also get pricing within 24 hours if you click on the link down below. So to get started, you could click on the link below, more information, or give us a call at 201-774-3733. I'm Dave Pangione, and thanks for watching.